I am building an Android app with Swift and SwiftUI. So this is thing called Skip, and I'm just testing it out. It's my first time playing around with it. I got a trial, but even after a trial, you're allowed to use it for free for one closed project. But the website is this. Let's open up a new window. I'm watching the Mike Tyson Jake Paul fight. If you go to skip.tools, you can see it here and read all about it. There's also video walkthroughs on how to use it. Man, Wi-Fi sucks in this building. Used to be good, but yeah, build native apps with iPhone and Android with Skip. It basically uses a transpiler to translate your Swift code to native Kotlin code, and I think because Kotlin APIs work with Java APIs, you can also work with it in Java if you want. So like you own the code too. You're not like vendor locked in or anything like that. I forgot. It's something I read in there, but such a cool tool, and it's just so awesome to see that I can build an app for Android with this tool. So here, let's play around. The only thing is, I guess you can't get a canvas going, which I thought was kind of a bummer. I was like, am I bugging out, or can I really not get a canvas on this thing? Um, hmm. Yeah. Anyway, let's try something. Hi, Mo Studios, and this isn't live, so I guess I gotta run it again. Also, I have Copilot for Xcode. Also another thing I'm playing around with. So I guess I have to replace the build every time. Let me see. Hmm. Let's see. And while this stuff happens in the background, so the app I chose to build is my app called Full House, which is basically a roommate managing app. So basically, you manage living with roommates. Um, because I live with some people, some family, and basically it's just to manage chores and bills and like make announcements on the app. So this is taking some time to build. It's not perfect. It's really early. Oh, there it goes. I guess maybe if I close out of it, and I don't even I haven't played around with Android in so long, so I have no idea how to even get this thing working. But I remember I haven't played around with Android Studio in quite some time either. So I'm just gonna restart the emulator and well, and then see if that opens. Other than that, I have another cool tool to show you called Alex. I think I showed y'all Alex already. Is this it? No, this is a Firebase thing I'm working on. That will be open source if y'all want to contribute to that. Alright, so this is for practicing Swift and Swift UI. It's a book I showed y'all in the other video where basically I gave it a screenshot and this thing was able to like code it for me. So the video's getting long, but if you go to what was it, alex.ar or something. I'm trying to make this video as short as possible. alexcodes.app. I keep showing y'all this. It's another tool I've been using. It's basically Cursor for Xcode. And I literally gave it a screenshot of a login, and it wasn't exactly. It was a Mo Foods design. It wasn't exact, but it still looked nice. And I was like, you just saw it. And I was like, wow. And the code is pretty clean. You could choose to use free while in beta. So dope. So yeah, I'm about to go crazy with it and build out mad of my apps, a bunch of my apps in December. In the meantime, though, I am studying some 79, some Swift, and Swift UI. But yeah, that's all I got to share for right now. This emulator, I don't know what's going on with it. Um, I don't know. But yeah, that's what I got going on. I just want to quickly show y'all that, put y'all on to this cool tool that you can now build Android apps with Swift. So, and I don't want to. I always thought about learning Android back in the day, um, but yeah, I was like, eh. So I chose. I started with Flutter. Flutter. What the hell is that? Flutter isn't bad. I'm just not a fan of it, and uh, I'm not doing something right. Um, I would recommend React Native over Flutter. Flutter devs wouldn't like that comment, but I recommend React Native over Flutter by far. Just a better developer experience in my opinion. I think that's it. I think that's all I wanted to share with y'all. Like I was just so cool to have this running. I had this running yesterday, and I was like, let me make a quick video on this. So yeah, that's it. Um, I know I rambled a little bit, so let me cut the video here. But yeah, skip for the Full House app, cursor, Alex sidebar for the apps I'll be building, and I'm studying on some fundamentals again. I'm gonna do 100 days of Swift, but make it 10 or 14 days or whatever. All right, that's all I got for y'all. Just wanted to make this quick video. It's pretty cool. Check out those tools.